Okay, my name is David Thandwa Ngubane-SkippingChamp. I am known as the Skipping Champ. My project in 2011, I came here at Vilakazi Street. I skipped for 67 minutes non-stop. The aim of the skipping rope was to motivate the young people to do away with drugs, to do away with unemployment, because if you're skipping, you can train people, you can sell skipping rope, you can create work for yourself. I've been doing this project since 2011, and I've supported 5 schools in KZN, Nyanyatu Primary School, Okalweni Primary School, Shogomani Primary School, Ratland Primary School, and Dundee Primary School. I've given them 35 t-shirts. You can check it on Facebook. I'm known as the Skipping Champ. And this year, I've got a project of a rugby player, Simphiwe. Simphiwe, come closer. This year, Simphiwe is a boy, a rugby player who is playing rugby. And then this young man, he's been selected to go and represent the junior rugby squad in Spain in December. From the 14th to the 21st of December, they've requested to pay 50,000 for the trip. This year I've pledged to raise 6,700 for him. I will raise 6,700 for him. With your support, I can get 10,000. Thank you very much to Jane Wala Mandela House. She asked me to come month end. She will give me 500 rand. And a big thank you to my colleagues at the big bank in Simon Street. I can't mention the name of the bank. But they supported me. We have raised from Simon Street more than 10,000. Thank you for the support. Now I'm going to Zola facility where I will be raising funds for this young boy who's playing rugby. He will be going to Spain in December. I've promised to raise 6,700. Thank you very much. I had a competition with the cameraman here. Cameraman was throwing that ball for 67 times, and he will share that video where he was also participating. But thank you very much, camera. Thank you, thank you. I don't know if you've got question. You can see this is what we're doing. There is a video. That is what you do when you're training doing skipping. There. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Very good. Thank you.